Hello, I'm Dr. Nancy Silva, and I'm super excited today because today I'm going to do an unboxing. I have a new baby doll. I figured that some of these videos need an actual baby so I can show you things and teach you things. And as a board-certified pediatrician, I think the more hands-on and visual we can get, the better it is for all parents. So here is the box. Ta-da! Something you should know about me, I've never been like a girl's girl in the sense of playing with dolls and things like that. I was always the girl that liked to play with the blocks in kindergarten. Back when they used to play with blocks in kindergarten, now they don't. But blocks and cars, and I was always very much a tomboy. But I'm really excited about this, so join with me. I went on Amazon, and it's a reborn baby doll. So let me read it. It says, share love with reborns. The hobby of creating newborn baby dolls began in the early 1990s when doll enthusiasts wanted more realistic and lifelike dolls. Since then, there emerged many reborn artists starting to create reborn baby dolls who draw inspiration from family, friendship, love, daily life, childhood memories, and fun. Every doll from us looks lifelike, and we enjoy how real they feel cradled in our arms, etc., etc. So I'm going to use this as a tool for teaching. So I'm going to switch the camera down to a different angle, and we'll continue in a minute. I'm back. So here we go. Here's the box. Let me angle it down. And let's see what's in here together. I always have the hardest time in the beginning. This box is actually pretty easy. We have a baby. We have a baby. So what's in the baby box? The baby. Oh, look at this. We've got 2 little play rattles. These actually could probably be used for babies. They actually look really good quality. But anyway, those are cute. I may or may not use that in videos. There is a baby bottle, a pretend baby bottle, but it's really cute. Look, it has like duckies. It's fun. And aside from the baby, yes, there is a diaper. I'll be using that, or other diapers. We have diapers in our office too, in case moms run out or forget. Sometimes you rush out of the home and you forget your diaper bag. That happened to me. Case in point, my kid was really sick, and I went to his doctor, and he ended up needing an injection of antibiotics, and it was like, oh no, I left the diaper bag. It's just, so I went into mommy mode, and I was going to take him. The good thing is he was a bit dehydrated to begin with, so he didn't really have to pee. In that sense, it was good because I didn't need the diaper bag. But I was breastfeeding, so he had what he needed. He had breast milk if he wanted it. He wasn't particularly drinking. But anyway, sometimes you can run out without a diaper bag. So we have diapers in our office, just in case. All kinds of sizes, from size 1 to I think size 5 or 6. I think we have until size 6. So look at what it has. A little, can you see that? It says name, I can't get it to focus. But it's basically the little hospital tag that your baby's born with, and they put it on your baby's wrist. So that came with that. So that should be fun. And now we have, what else do we have? I'll have to figure this one out, but a little instruction manual. So now we have the baby. So obviously a real baby does not come wrapped in plastic, but these are the reborn babies, and they're supposed to be really lifelike. So let's see. Let's see. She's cute. Oh, look at that. What does it say? Here we go. Can you see that? Love mom. I wish I could get these things to focus. I never know how to focus it, but it says love mom. So a little fake pacifier is included. Oh my goodness. Aromatherapy tablets. I might use those. And we always dispose of the silica, right? So let's see. What do you think of her? Is she cute? I think she's cute. Let's see. Well, they say reborn feels like a real baby. Nothing feels like a real baby. I mean, I guess you have to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars to get one of those dolls. But this is the new baby, and I'm going to be using her. She is so cute. I'm going to be using her as a prop to do demonstrations and whatnot. So let's get to know her. Now, when you're holding a baby, we always hold the back of the neck, as you know. Isn't she beautiful? Let me focus on her. She's so peaceful. Could have picked a baby with, who was smiling already, a baby who was bright-eyed, open, but most of the time, frankly, newborns are asleep. They sleep like 14 to 16 hours a day at least. They can sleep up to 18 hours, unless you get one of my babies that they were both super colicky. for 3 months, and my son only slept like a total of 1 hour a day for those 3 months. It was horrible. And my daughter slept like 4 to 6 hours, but it was every time it was like 15 minutes here, 2 minutes there. That's if I, added it down, which of course I wrote it all down. But anyway, so this is her, and this is her back. And let me just see what she has underneath. So, oh, they put like little indentations like the real skin. And let's see what she looks like in the front. Let me just see. No, just regular plain skin. And yep, everything else the same way. Little toes. Let me just go ahead and show her little toes. So I had actually picked a name out for her beforehand, and she is going to be Amelia. So why Amelia? We are huge Dr. Who fans in our home, and we are watching the 11th Doctor, and one of the Traveler's companions, one of the companions is Amy, nicknamed Amy, Amelia Pond. So I just thought that this little pretty angel could be Amelia. So welcome to the family, Amelia. If you'd like this and you'd like to see some more, also feel free to ask some parenting questions, parenting tips. I do a lot of those. Please follow the channel, drop a comment below. Until the next time, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.